Hello, and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. We have covers. Our long-awaited package from Ironhide is here. Let's see what we've got. Damn, it even comes in a bag. Look at that. Way to go, Damon. Don't need that anymore. Alright. Let's get these guys unwrapped. Got our bag of swag and our bracelet from Kiki. A mouse pad, our flashlight, some bones, pens and stickers. Sweet. Couple t-shirts. Look at that. Damn, that is bright. Nice. Those. Got our tie downs. Got our magnets. And our aprons. Sweet. Number 2, because it's always great to have a backup. Got our tool roll for our cutting tools. Got our auto glass light tag on there. And let's see here. What is our first one? That looks like a hood cover. Very nice. Soft on the back, durable on the front. We've got our seat covers. Very nice. Number 2. This looks like our front end right here. Oh yeah, very nice. Bumper covers for wrapping the front end. Now I just got to remember how to fold all this up when I'm putting them away too. That looks like a repair pad there. Nice little weighted pad. Nice and soft on the back. You don't scratch the hood. Put your kit on here. Any other little tools you need. Got our dash cover here. A couple little weights on there to keep it from wanting to slide off. Last but certainly not least, our engine cover, or under the hood cover. Very nice. Ironhide covers, guys. Go check them out. These things feel awesome. Can't wait to get these things on a car. Thank you for watching my unboxing, and I will see you in the next video.